in the example that we use, Wyoming, if that particular a national of that particular internal Moroccan state was were to have some type of litigation, with the colonial charter state of Wyoming, due to it being an internal Moroccan state there, that Moor can now that he has his, Moroccan nationality through the state, he can petition that internal Moroccan state and get representation by way of the state. Now, we'll look at it both sides. Just say if the state wasn't there again and that particular Moor, he wanted Moroccan nationality. And, this goes back to why, they couldn't petition the Empire of Morocco directly and become a national because, again, it's no administration there to oversee or protect the Moors.
Right.
But that Moor would petition that internal Moroccan state, will get representation. The Council General will step in and begin to litigate, or correspond with whatever jurisdiction or court that the dispute is in. And, he would send correspondence to the judge, to the prosecutor, to the court in general, as well as contact, the state of Wyoming and, try to come to some type of resolve. And, depending on what happens within that process, the next step would be, to get the actual centralized government or the Empire of Morocco involved that would directly start to correspond with the United States and, their representatives, President Trump, Marco Rubio, etc.